Get real messy, y'all. Real messy, real quick. Mmm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Erica. So today guys, I am doing a huge seafood boil. So I have for the first time crawfish, prawns, I have the king crab leg, some sausage, some potatoes, triple E sauce, corn. I got a lot of stuff here today, y'all. I'm going to get started eating because I'm starving. So you guys, if you are new, please do subscribe. So I want to start with this crawfish because I never had it before. I hope that I actually open and eat this right. So I'm just going to do what I see everybody else do, which is, here's the crawfish I have. I have some of them spread out, so I hope you guys can see them. I usually see people just rip the tail off and peel the shell off, so that's what I'm going to do. Thank all my new subscribers for coming over and, you know, coming to become a part of my family. I definitely appreciate you guys. Shout out to Be Love for doing the spicy noodle challenge. That was so sweet of her to do that. She was probably the first person to do it. I hope more people do actually catch on and do it as well, because I think it's fun to watch. So this is what I got out of here. I knew it was a little piece of meat, and I see everyone else eat it. It looks like a little bit of meat, and I'm like, what is worth, you know, why is it worth it to get that little piece of meat? But I'm gonna find out today, I guess. So I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. Pretty good. It tastes like regular crab, I guess. So I guess you're supposed to suck the head. I'm gonna attempt to do it. Spicy. That's spicy, but it's good. So I wanted to talk about my last video where I did the mukbang on the car. I wanted to make sure that I left a disclaimer because I didn't do that on the video, which I forgot to do, but I wanted to put a do not try this at home on there because I don't want people trying that. And you know, I made sure I was really safe when I did it. I was actually inside my car in the sunroof, so I wasn't like in danger. And I know it looks like I was going really fast with my wig flew off, but we really were not. It was fast for me because I was out the window, but the speed limit was like 30. We were at a park, and I just couldn't believe my wig flew off. Y'all ain't eating nothing all day. I'm so hungry. So hungry. This tastes so good. But anyway, I was at a park, which was a one-way road. On some parts of it, it turned into a two-way. But I really wasn't on that for long. Like, we were only on that to turn around and things like that. But this is so good. So if you want the ingredients for the triple E sauce, this is a little bit thinner today. Usually I put more of something in here. It's still good though. But the sauce is in the description box if you want to look at that video to get the recipe. Oh guys, this is a prawn. Look at that. That's a prawn. Beautiful. Back to what I was saying about the park. When I was at the park, we were on a one-way street unless we had to turn around. But for the most part, we were going to speed limit. But when I was up and through the roof, it looked like we were going a lot faster than what we were because I was out the sunroof and the camera's up there, so it looks like he's going like 90, but he wasn't. And the reason why my wig flew off, I think, was because I was facing the trunk, and so the wind was going, of course, coming from the front of the car. And when I turned around, as you can see in the video, I turned around right before it flew off. So I think the wind from the front blew my wig off. And I was so nervous, y'all, thought it was gonna fall in the street or into the woods. So as soon as I kept saying my wig came off, he hurried and pulled over. And it ended up just being like right beside the camera, which was like a reach. Like, I could reach to this camera. Well, yeah, it was like this reach. So I was lucky that it didn't go anywhere. But yeah, I wanted to put a disclaimer because if anybody wanted to do that, I just want to make sure that you have, you're somewhere safe and you do it safe. But I just wanted to make sure I say it in this video. Do not try that at home. I kind of planned that out, as far as how I was going to get in the car, where we were going to go and everything. So I knew that we would be safe, wherever we were. So it definitely wasn't unsafe for you people that were concerned. So I watched the video, and Beloved had some eggs in her sauce, and it looks so bomb, y'all. And I don't even like eggs in my pollo, but I made some eggs today. So here's my egg. I'm going to dip it in this and eat it because, man, when she's eating, I was drooling, y'all. I just wanted some so bad, y'all. Bomb. This is another prawn I have. Everything is beyond delicious. My mouth is spicy. Some crawfish, y'all. They just taste like regular, crab. If you never had crawfish before, it tastes like a little miniature crab leg. Well, to me at least. Why is that spicy? Definitely has a spice to it. I heard people say that too. That is spicy. But that's good. I've been missing out all this time. So I'll be adding this to my pollo more often. I got my pink wig on today. I had this wig for about maybe a year when I was going to do a beauty channel. I bought this wig. I never wore it but one time for like pictures and stuff. So I said, while my other wig is getting dry cleaned from falling into the sauce, I'm gonna put this one on. Let me know what y'all think about this wig in the comments, and if y'all want me to wear it again, because I will. I think it looks kind of cute. Something different, you know? This is so good, y'all. I know I already said that, but it is really good because I'm so hungry. Put some meat in there, I think. This super colossal shrimp is so good. Look at this little baby lobster tail, y'all. It's so little. Everything is just so good. I know I said that about 4 times, but it is. No words. I don't have any words. No words for y'all. Trying to wipe my mouth real good because when I watch the video after I record it, I be like, you wiped your mouth, but you still got the sauce there through the whole video. So I'm gonna make sure I wipe it this time. This is a big piece of crab leg. This is a really big king crab leg. Ooh, this is tough. This is a really big piece of king crab that I'm about to tear up, y'all. Tear it up and put some lime on there. It's about to get real messy, y'all. Real messy, real quick. I want to thank everybody who rocked with me, who shared my video, because I really appreciate that. when you're a new YouTuber, it's just a matter of people finding your video. So when someone share your video, that's the nicest thing they could do, because you know people are trying to find you. You're new, they don't really know who you are, and so when people share your video, they be like, "Who's that? I don't know who that is." Or I like them, or I don't. So, regardless, thank you. Definitely appreciate that. Because I would do it for you. I would do it for you. I got all that crawfish left. I'm going to tell you something about the crawfish. I don't have the patience to sit there and do the rest of these, because seems a little tedious to try to peel the shell off, but I guess if that's all I have, I won't mind, but I'm trying to get the rest of the stuff. It's so bomb too, so bomb. Like the Yoni Eats would say, it is divine. She cracked me up with that. I'm getting so full, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's burning my tongue. Yes, because my mouth is burning. Excuse me, between the crawfish and the sauce, my mouth is like, my tongue is on fire. Excuse me. That's why I be waiting to drink that. That's why I be waiting to drink the pop, because it makes me burp. I think this is my last bite, y'all. I think it is. I'm not getting full. Just think about it. I had a king crab leg, lobster tail, corn, super colossal shrimp, prawns, eggs, potatoes. I don't even know if I missed anything. Sausage. I had sausage too. I'm like, your girl is full. I can't eat no more. I'm gonna peel one more of these crawfish. And I know my sister said she wanna try them, so I'm gonna take them to her so she could try it. Excuse me, y'all. So, yeah, it was an experience. I was like really afraid to try them, but they just taste like, they taste like a crab leg. Like a little miniature baby crab leg. Or a lobster tail, whatever you want, whatever you compare it to. But it's good. So I'll definitely have those again. So guys, this concludes this video. So, like I said, if you're not subscribed already, please become a part of my family and subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that. Make sure you hit the notifications bell as well. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do that too. My name is @EatWithE, just like my YouTube name. So again, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate all the new family members that came over. I definitely appreciate you. We got some good stuff coming, so I'm happy that you're here. And that's it. So I will catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you check out my playlist and other videos. The party does not stop here. You guys can still see more of me, continue to watch more of my videos. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.